I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aidan the Gardener.
And today we are celebrating what feels like the first warm day in a long time. It's really the first warm day of 2022.
It really is.
So we are gonna gather a bunch of flowers and make floating flower arrangements to celebrate tomorrow, Floating Flower Friday. This is a thing I've been trying to create on Instagram. I'm not good at making things go viral, so if somebody knows how to do that, by all means. But let's go walk around the garden and see what's in bloom and make some creations.
Okay.
We'll take you guys along. So we are heading to the backyard, into the woods, where I think we're gonna find some camellias, some edgeworthia, some hellebores, and I don't know what else. We'll see.
We'll see, yep.
So right away we found 3 camellias, but look at these double hellebores. Oh, I think they're so cool. Right now there's really only one that's open, but I think we should take it because I will enjoy it more in a floating flower arrangement up in the area that I hang out in versus out here in the woods. Now we have a bunch of camellias. This is all crimson candles. So I think we'll take the ones that are most open on here and then we'll keep going. So plucking off the camellia flowers can be a little bit tricky. You see, this point right here is where the new growth is gonna come, so you don't wanna compromise that. So you really just kinda wanna twist the flower off so that you don't damage that point of new growth. And then I have a camellia to float. Okay. So here's an example of a hellebore here in the woods. I don't want this hellebore to spread and take over the woodland. That would definitely make it invasive in this sort of natural area. So I'm removing all the flowers so I can enjoy them in the floating arrangement. But you can see this one, I haven't cut the foliage down, and it's really to your benefit. The foliage holds a virus, so you'll have better, longer lived plants if you just get into the habit of cutting the leaves off. When they're at this stage, you have to be a little bit more careful because there's a lot of tender growth, just like this, where it's flowers. This one's already going to seed. So I don't want to cut off the bloom stalks, but I want to remove all the old leaves. Well, I hope that you will participate in Floating Flower Friday and make a pretty display of your own. It's actually a pretty fun way to go through the garden, collect everything that's in bloom, and then you have a snapshot of what was happening this week in your home garden, floating right here on your patio. I think it's going to be pretty.
It will. It is.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody.